Today I'm going to be doing a lava lamp experiment, and here's going to be how I do it. So first you're going to need water and oil, and you want to put the oil into this measuring plastic thing. And you're going to need one anti-acid tablet and food coloring. So you want to get water and you want to pour the oil inside of it. And as you can see, the oil is separating from the water. Then you want to put your food coloring in. I used pink, but you can use whatever coloring you want. And then you want to break your anti-acid into half so you can fit it into your water bottle. And then you want to get the cap, put it on, and you could see the anti-acid tablet is like making the chemical reaction, and it's like turning the oil and like making it a lava lamp. It's gonna take a little bit for like it to separate in all the water to like blob into the oil, but yeah, that's how you make a lava lamp. I think it was really cool, and the chemical reaction was really cool, and I think that like it was really fun and easy to make. Something I like about science is that it can always surprise you with stuff that you do, so you can have a crazy chemical reaction or a really cool and nice one.
And it's really gotten me, interested in all this stuff. I feel like we learn a lot of, real life applications of criminals and really how to, kind of how criminals are investigated. And we learned about real life cases like the John Bonet case and the O.J. Simpson case, and we got to come up with our own theories on them, which was really fun. And we also learned about how to fingerprint and how different types of blood and how the blood would be applied in the real world. We were able to tell based on, the blood that was on the diameter of it and the angles where that blood would have come from, which also could have indicated the weapon used on the victim. With the John Bonet, Mr. Schultz had us each come up with our own theory after he presented like all the information unbiasedly from many different theories, and then we each had to come up with what we thought would happen, and then we kind of tallied it up and everybody got to present their own theory. And I think it's definitely one of my favorite classes because of, really, I think it's a lot of fun to study, real life cases and learn about things like, DNA and fingerprints and really examining a crime scene, because that's all real world stuff, and it's really interesting.